your whiteboard, your virtual whiteboard, will be shown instead. So this is like using a a whiteboard in front of people without you in it, and it's delivered through online. So that's a virtual whiteboard. Personally, I don't use virtual whiteboards because I don't use a tablet, and often it's quite difficult to make use of a drawing tablet to show something. And my topics are typically technical in nature, so I cannot really show the formulas using white virtual whiteboard. But virtual whiteboard may be useful for teachers who needs to show something, to show a drawing instead, or it can be used as a fun activity for the students, maybe a guessing game or something like that. So virtual whiteboards can be used for those purposes. And next, we talk about presentation